Hello and welcome to the Haas Tip of the Day, where we cover the topics that every Haas machinist needs to know. My name is Mark, and right now we're going to answer what might be the #1 question we get asked about Haas rotary tables. How do you unwind your rotary back to zero quickly? So let's say I've commanded my rotary to move 10 revolutions in the positive direction. Typically, we'd have to go 10 revolutions in the negative direction to get back to zero. Well, that's a big waste of time. What if we could command our rotary those same 10 revolutions and then snap back to zero in less than one turn? That would be terrific, and that's what we're going to do, using our setting 108 in just a couple lines of code. Let's take a look. To turn on setting 108, quick rotary G28, we press the setting button, enter 108, and press down arrow. And we've highlighted 108 quick rotary G28. Arrow to the right to turn it on if it wasn't on already, and press enter. Okay, let's show you the code that we're going to use to unwind our rotary quickly. Now literally what we're going to do is wrap it to an angle that is 0 degrees incrementally away from our A-axis home position. We're just telling it to go straight to A-axis home, and don't take more than one revolution to get there. Now, because we put it into G91 incremental mode, we have to remember to use a G90, putting it back into absolute mode. Well, we've added those few lines of code to our program, and I'm going to press cycle start. On the left side of your screen, you're going to see the long way, where the program winds all the way up the 10 revolutions and then unwinds all the way back to zero. On the right side of your screen, you're going to see the quick unwind, where the rotary snaps back to zero within one turn. It's going to save a lot of time. Well, we have one final detail for you. In order for setting 108 to work properly, circular wrap needs to be enabled on your machine. This is parameter 43-bit 10 for your A-axis, parameter 151-bit 10 for your B-axis, and parameter 498-bit 10 for your C-axis. These are set to on by default on most machines. Well, that's it. Be sure to click on the link at the end of this video for today's bonus content and to subscribe to these tips. Thanks for watching this Haas Tip of the Day.